Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable maintenance mode or website under construction for your website. From the plugin menu you'll go to manage countdowns and then you'll select countdown settings for the countdown you want to set as maintenance mode. Here in general settings you have enable maintenance mode, so you set it true. We also have a note here, so only one countdown will be set at can be set as maintenance mode for your website. Update, and now if you visit the website in a browser where you are not logged in, you'll see the maintenance mode page appearing.